Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf, and I wanted to show you the shelf unit that my boyfriend and me and my dad made together. So we needed more storage in the lounge, and we decided to make this 10 foot by 7.5 foot storage unit with shelves for all the things. So there it is. I painted it twice with wood stain and a further third time on the actual shelves themselves. The top shelf has got plushies and squishmallows and things. Then the second shelf down, we'll go and have a closer look. There are the Furbies, they're still there on their little shelf. So we've got the art books. These are all my art books from various films. There's a lot of Disney stuff there and Studio Ghibli and things. And going all the way up there. Sisu is on top because she's very long and I just can never find a place to put her. Also special edition Gravity Falls Journal 3, which is quite cool. There are some plushies. I've got a load of bashful bunnies up there. There's a little Furby there. And a load of others. There's the squishmallows. And then going along here we've got just more books and things. There's Squawker's Macaw and the little one there, and a bluey house, a small bluey house. And then here along this one are all the Funkos. This is my shelf of geek. You can see stacks of Funkos. I don't actually have as many Funkos as I thought, but I am missing 2 of them. I'm not sure where they are. So I've got to find them. I don't know. Like I said, the first 2 I ever had and I can't find them. And they're Dogmeat, who I think is from Fallout, and Chloe the cat from The Secret Life of Pets. And there are the little figures and things like that. All along there. Going along the next shelf are all my DVDs, and this is literally all my DVDs, but it's 2 rows deep, so the ones at the back are all the box sets and things that I may not watch as much as the other stuff, and then all of these are the films. So basically I've actually sorted my my DVDs into 4 genres. These are the genres of films I watch. Family films, and they go right up to there. I've got all the animated ones here, and then going along here is like fantasy films, comedy films, action films, along there, and finally the horror films, which is all along here until I get to stand-up comedy, and there's some more box sets there as well. They kind of spilled out into the front of it. So yeah, what I mostly watch is family, action, fantasy and horror. Those are the genres of movies I enjoy. Then there's my filing cabinet in the corner there. There's all the Aibo stuff there. That's accessories for the Aibo and the wicker basket, the bowls. 2 Aibos, that's Peanut and Boswell. Boswell still needs a bag to put him in, but I haven't managed to get one. I'm not sure if they released one for the 7 Series, I can't really remember. The box there, that contains Aibo accessories, and there's a portable DVD player in the corner. There's a plastic box of plushies there, just down there, and miscellaneous things in that one. Massive great big bird book. It is huge, it is heavy, and they refer to that book as a baby elephant. These books here are actually my boyfriend's. He did zoology, and they're all his animal books, like scientific animal books and things about keeping animals and stuff like that. He did that for his college course before we met, so that's all his books. He's not a big reader. These are literally all the books he owns, apart from just one other which he's got somewhere else, which is Micah Richards, who used to play football. It's his kind of autobiography thing, or at least his view on playing football. There's my Game of Thrones goblet that I drink alcohol from. I've never seen Game of Thrones, but I like the design of it, so that's why I have it. And then we've got a horse. I got that from Canada. It's one of those expensive horse figures. I can't remember what they're called now, but it was like $35. There's Leonardo. tissues and another bluey house and lava lamp. There's the mini fridge. At the moment the mini fridge doesn't have much in it because we drank it all. It did have cider in it, but now it's just got a couple of cans of soda. And then this shelf is for everything else. So it's just miscellaneous things that won't go anywhere else. So we've got 25th anniversary puppy surprise. I did a video on that some years ago. There's Lucy Lockett's little dream home there. I did a video on that. Recently did a video on that one as well. And just loads of other things. There's vintage puppy in my pockets, which again I did a video on. And then under there we've got a magazine rack, a toolbox, a little little grey box with stuff in, another Ibo bag. And then here are all my CDs by the side of the TV. And finally in front of the TV is actually tidy. So there's the PlayStation, and I've got some DVDs there that we've been watching, but that's pretty much it. And a VCR because I'm super retro. I've had that VCR since I was a kid and it still works. There's a Blu-ray player there as well, but lately we've been playing them on the PlayStation because it actually continues off. If you take the disc out and put it back in, it will continue where you left off, which is great. Especially if you're watching a series. So there you go, that's the shelf of awesome, the shelves of awesome. And that's where everything is. And it took me pretty much all day yesterday to arrange everything, but I'm absolutely over the moon that all my DVDs and all my CDs are finally all in one place and I can get to them pretty easily. Like I said, it's all box sets behind the DVDs, so if I need a box set I know to look behind them, but I don't have as many films as I thought I did though. Although I do have other films elsewhere, like on hard drives or like copied DVDs or whatever. But I thought I had more films, but apparently not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to be doing a little bit more tidying today and stuff like that. So hopefully everything will be organised soon. It was really stressful when this room was such a mess though and everything was all over the floor while we were building it. I put pictures on my social media of like us putting it up and everything, and it was pretty stressful. So I hope you've enjoyed my little tour of my stuff. It's pretty much just a geek fest. If you want to see more things you can click either the boxes that come up below. I think I've made a video now for a playlist for just miscellaneous videos because I was sick and tired of having videos that didn't fit in any other playlist not being in a playlist because they're not as easily found unless they're in a playlist apparently. So as always, check out my Etsy and New Monday stores if you want to buy anything like plushies, commissions and things like that, or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi. Every bit helps because this is what I do, so if you enjoy what I do, then tips are always welcome. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep being awesome. This is Sylvia signing off.